So this problem talks about what happens when you have 100 quarts of sparkling grape juice. So we need to total this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change both of these to decimals, 0.75 and 1.5. And I'm going to add these together, and that's going to give me 2.25. That is the total amount of grape juice and sparkling water for the recipe that goes in. Now, what we want here, is 100 total quarts, and we need to figure out how much sparkling water we'd need. So in other words, we need to figure out what the constant of proportionality would be to get from 2.25 to 100. So we do 100 divided by 2.25, and you get 44.4. I'm going to round that, and I'm going to just make it's 44.4 repeating, but I'm going to make it 44.4. Here we go back. I almost wrote 5. Let's try that again. There we go, 44.4. Now we need sparkling water, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do 1.5 times 44. Put a decimal in there. 44.4. And when I multiply that, it gives me 66.6 repeating. And this says that we need to round to the nearest tenth, so we're going to do 66.7, and that is your answer.